Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Black Ops 2 on piano. First, identify the memorable musical themes from the game, such as the main menu music or specific mission scores. Next, search for available sheet music or online piano tutorials that break down these pieces. Finally, ensure your piano is tuned and your practice area is comfortable and free from distractions, setting the stage for your musical journey. This foundational preparation is crucial for a successful and enjoyable learning experience. Once you have your chosen pieces, start by focusing on the simpler melodies and basic chord progressions. Break down each song into smaller, manageable sections to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Dedicate time to practicing hand coordination, ensuring your left and right hands work together smoothly. Always use a metronome to develop a consistent and accurate rhythm, which is fundamental for any musical performance. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will yield significant progress. To elevate your piano playing, begin incorporating dynamics, varying the volume to add emotional depth to the music. Focus on expressive phrasing, shaping the melodic lines to tell a story. Experiment with subtle tempo variations, speeding up or slowing down slightly to create a more engaging performance. For a greater challenge, consider arranging more complex game scores, adapting them for solo piano. These techniques will transform your playing from merely hitting notes to truly performing the music. Finally, don't be afraid to develop your own unique musical arrangements of Black Ops 2 themes. Personalize the pieces to reflect your style and interpretation. Record your piano performances and share them with friends or online communities. This can be incredibly motivating. Additionally, explore improvisation, creating new melodies and harmonies based on the game's iconic musical motifs. This creative exploration is the ultimate way to make the music truly your own, showcasing your individual artistry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.